So I'm just going to show you a quick video of how to put together the double skiff Eurorack rack. It comes with 2 side stands and 3 cross braces and 6 wedges, 3 for each side. First, the side stands. There's a front, middle, and upper slot, and the cross braces fit in those. The cross braces are almost the same, but if you look closely, you can see that 2 are exactly the same and 1 is slightly different. One of them has a straighter side. So the ones with the angled sides go in the middle and upper, and the one with the straight side goes in the front. So the straight side we'll put in first, and all you do is fit the slot perpendicular to each other of the cross brace with the slot on the front of the side stand. And then you take a wedge, and I like to do it from the back. You put the wedge into the slot and just push it in a little firmly, and now this thing is really firm. Now we'll do the other side. Again, front slot on the side stand goes into the slot on the cross brace, and it should fit rather snug. Sometimes it's loose, but it doesn't matter because the wedge holds it in place. Push the wedge in. And there you go. That's the front. Now the next 2 are easy. They just go in the center slots of the 2 side stands. Push it in firmly so it's flush on the top, and the same with the top. Goes in the slots on the top. And now you take your wedges, and your wedges fit into the slots to hold it firmly in place. And push them in and give them a little bit of a wiggle. Same with the center. Push it in, give it a little bit of a wiggle. And once you have all 6 wedges in, just make sure that your surfaces are flush. Should all be flush. And that's it. 1 skiff goes on the top, and 1 skiff or a keyboard goes on the bottom. And you can get pretty creative by putting other things on here too. I've put different devices that are the right shape on both the upper and the lower piece. But it looks nice from the side, and it holds those things firmly. Hope you enjoy it.